Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ideapad. Today we have a case here which is Ideapad series, and this is Ideapad 3. You can see Ideapad 3 15 IML. Okay, the problem in this laptop is the serial number is showing wrong. The customer wants the serial number to be correct. So in this laptop, when we open the lid, it gets power on, because this is the feature of the laptop. You can see the serial number over here is not correct. I have taken the picture over here. I'll show you the previous we were seeing. I have to make it more clear. So this is the back image. So this should be the serial number, which is not correct over here. So in today's case, we are going to solve this issue with the help of this pen drive. So I am going to inject this pen drive over here and restart the laptop. Yes, and F12. So it is not getting into the boot mode right now, so we have to wait until it gets started. There is no issue with the laptop. Laptop is working perfectly fine without a problem, and the only problem is the serial number, which is showing invalid over there, or which is invalid by default. The customer has some software which he needs the original serial number. So let me restart it again and press F12. Okay, now we go into the ScanDisk, because this is a ScanDisk pen drive, and we'll start the program. Here we have to press enter. Now we do the command process. Now you can see the serial number here showing 1234567890. So we have to input a new serial number, that is the correct one, and that is written over here. We have taken the back image, so I'll input this exact same. That is now here it is saying that particular product name is Ideapad 315 IML05. This is taking automatically from the mapping. So this is the correct, and we will do one thing only. We have to press one button. Now everything is okay. Now you can see inject country code is needed. I'll say no, because it is not required. Everything is okay. I'll press 1. You can see the process is happening over here and data is complete. Now I'll press on exit and I'll press F12. I'll press F2. You can see all the data and details are now available. So everything is being inserted over here. So everything is just fine. So thanks for watching our channel Aditya 11 Triple T. Do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment for future updates.